Hi guys, my name is Dipesh Rana and I am a student of SSRIM second year MBA. So today my purpose is all about to have a purpose in life, what you will be doing in life and how people were been doing in pandemic situations, what they were doing. Basically my personal experience I will be sharing through one slide, and let's see uh, I would say influence you by my personal experience. So let's show you my slide. So yes, where he goes. And so yes, if you can see, readers live thousands lives before he dies. So yes, readers are being living thousands of lives, because if we are reading one book, no, we are book 10, we have read 10 books, we have lived the life of 10 authors, because they have been, it took years while writing the book, and while years and years, I would say decade, so if you have been read three or not three, 15 or 16 book, it means that you have lived more than that years, and you have been living author's life as well. And in pandemic situation, I personally believe I have been I would say I learned a lot and from reading books, because reading books gives me I would say good I would say pleasure, and which would help me to be more creative and have a purpose in life. Like many people don't know what they want to do in life. Like I would give you example, like what I wanted to try to explain to you. For suppose, for example, there was a pilot who was who was stimulating a plane. So basically what happened, from New York to California, he took a destination, from New York he wants to fly over to California by plane. So he have a destination where he wanted to go, California from New York. So my point is, from 3 degree shift, New York, there is 3 degree shifts of aeroplanes by stimulated by pilot, 3 degree shifts, and from New York he will reach to Washington. So my purpose is that, my motive to you to tell about is that, like have a purposive life, like where you wanted to go, because many people don't know where they wanted to go and what they wanted to do. So this is having many is they will we humans are what we can say, a herd, we follow others, he is doing this, so I also will do this, and so we are like a herd mentality. We are following others. Why should not we have our stand ourselves? So and having book will in I would say, in lockdown, in pandemic situations, I have been read a lot of books, which improves my vocabulary skill as well. It have been giving me a great sense of humor, like yes, it and books is your best friend, as always you can trust me, books are always your best friends, and which would give you which will helps you to improve yourself. And I would say reading books enhance your I would say uh, your creativity ability, thinking logical. And if you can see this in this picture, like the two boys who are reading books in the dark, and they have been gaining the knowledge, and then later, after they grew up, and they can, if you can see this in this image, like self checkout, like is in previously they were reading books, and now they are replicating their themselves, and having a good personality, they can improve their personality as well. So reading books will help you to gain more knowledge and have a wonderful life. And it will people, if you can see, people were being dilemma, like stress were being in the pandemic situation, they were being at no, there was a lot of I would say issues, like people have lost their jobs, they have lost their houses and as well. So if you can see in this picture, like this, there is a man who was going outside, if you can see in this picture, so my point is that reading books will help you to gain more knowledge. And I would say that the best book to enhance your motivation or a purpose, you want to have a purpose in life. So my suggestion would be read this book, Man in Search for Meaning by Dr. Viktor E. Frankl. So this book is a great opportunity to you to improve yourself, and you can influence other as well. So yeah, thank you for listening me, and this is in 2020 last year, and I have been posting this now itself, and from later I will be like making another video as well. So till then, take care, and happy new year in advance. So I will see you in my next video in new year, in next year. So till then, take care, bye bye, and thank you for listening me. Bye bye.